So have 500 miles on it.
Well, yeah, we drove it here.
Weren't you there that night?
Shenanigans?
Yeah, when we ran from the cops in LaFerrari. Weren't you there?
Alright guys, now before we get to that, today's video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Raid Shadow Legends is what happens if you take a big blockbuster film and a massive online console game and then you squeeze them all together on your phone. Now, there's a lot of mobile games out there, but what makes Raid stand out is the production quality, and the level of detail is second to none. Raid has over 450 unique champions, and every single one of them is fully animated with the help of their in-house motion capture studio. That's right, they have their own motion capture studio. No one else does this. What I love about this game is that there's always something to do. Literally, I cannot believe how many different battles, challenges, and opportunities there are to unlock new stuff. And they're always releasing new updates. Their biggest update ever is in development right now, the Doom Tower, and it's 120 floors of super hard levels and even harder bosses. The Frost Spider, the Magma Dragon, the Tomb Crab, they all look badass. Go to the video description and click the special links, and if you're a new player, you'll receive 100,000 silver and a free champion called Hexweaver. And Hexweaver is no joke either. I mean, she's extremely powerful. All this treasure will be waiting for you here. And know that these rewards will only be available for the next 30 days. So don't miss out. Get started right now. So guys, with that being said, check the link in the description down below. Get started today. You won't regret it.
So do we have anything that we have planned after Savage Rally, or are we detoxing after that?
Detoxing.
I'm checking myself into the Betty Ford clinic. I'm just talking about detox for cars. I'm just gonna go there and say, hi, my name is Randy Tillum, and I have a car problem.
I'm gonna do the thing where they're like,
You need some Adol.
yeah.
Adult.
I still can't believe that.
What's the milligram number? Does it
It's
say?
750 milligrams of caffeine.
700
Of caffeine.
Oh, you bought the add-all.
Yeah, Adol. I'm out of Adderall, so I found Adol XR.
What kind of inner city gas station
this is
type?
this is desert shit. When I'm out of Adderall, I reach for my Adol XR. I'm not taking this shit. I think I'm gonna die.
You realize that one of those pills is like 3 vitamins, right?
Yeah, I think it's for both. So something for both.
It is a mild horse tranquilizer.
Yeah.
I could go.
Those are like gorilla biscuits.
That's a real thing.
Like, keep him going, keep him going. Do you see it? Look, it's like, it's so where the red turns to the white, I want to say, there's like about 4 or 5 little goats. Like, I just saw them moving and hopping around. If you look carefully, you'll see them.
Let him get closer to you. He's gonna keep looking. He's not gonna figure this out.
You see him yet? Can you explain what just happened?
Or high altitude. I think the mass airflow sensor or something went weird and the SVJ just went in limp mode, and I just reset it. So, FYI, when in a tunnel, going through a national park in your SVJ, make sure you can do a quick reset.
Well, the more you know.
Cop.
He said no cop, and then he said cop.
That's delicious.
So the SPJ was hungry, and I just pulled this. It was totally wedged in the front lip, the vent right there. Like I had to slowly pull it out. I'm making a TikTok, motherfucker.
How was it?
It was fun.
First experience in an SVJ?
It was so much fun. Thank you, Randy. Oh my
Oh my god.
Jimbo's in heaven right now.
I've never seen one rolling down the road in person. So, wow. Yep.
Yep.
The man himself.
How's it going, man?
Good to see you. Welcome to Utah.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
How's the drive?
Awesome. Couldn't be better.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Utah sunset was pretty sick tonight, wasn't it?
Put that on the trailer. Slept in the new R6.
Okay, nice. That thing is awesome. First one, yeah? Yeah.
It's
Totally
insane.
cool. Yeah? Yeah, let's check it out. And you had it shipped to you in Vegas?
Yeah.
Love it.
Overnighted, essentially.
Nice.
Straight route here. Check it out. It's absolutely insane.
I haven't heard about it. James?
It's so good. It's just
Already
so
have
comfortable.
500 miles on it.
Well, yeah, we drove it here. My mirror, my one side mirror is just, they're so heavy, those mirrors.
Right.
And I don't know, it's just, I think the base is the carbon starting to get loose. And they said it's secure enough that it won't fly out. I just don't trust it too much. It looks like it's gonna go, and then it's gonna hit the back and then, oh yeah, 7,000 per mirror.
That sounds right.
Wow, welcome to hypercar ownership, right?
Yeah, well, the Veyron key's $9,600.
Yep.
Which was a lovely surprise to find
Yep.
out.
Mine's
See the lock button?
7,000 with the Sterling. It's mine's a Mercedes key.
Right.
So that's 435 bucks.
Right.
That's 7,000.
At least that's a cool key.
Right.
Mine's
No,
just,
you're-
it's just a straight Volkswagen
I
key.
know,
Like, there's nothing else to it. Dude, this thing is beautiful. Did you get on it today pretty good?
Yeah, you got it. This is John by the
What's that, man? James. Before I walk off of it. There's that one company that makes the carbon fiber ski boxes. Have you seen those? Nord. Yeah, Nord, yeah. That would be.
I have a Nord, but it's not the carbon fiber one. The carbon fiber was like $2,000 or something like that.
It's about time, isn't it? It's about time America started getting
no
some cool
shit.
shit. It's the coolest thing.
About time this car came to the United States.
Yeah.
You know Jimbo?
What's up, dude?
How are
Good to see you. How was the nap?
Oh, it was good.
Yeah, well deserved.
Yeah.
Rallies are
That's
so.
definitely
That's why
what
you
we
need
need
something
to
like this. Yeah.
So how's the Veyron? Question you get every other
It's
day.
good. I've done 1,000 miles in the car.
That's
already.
awesome.
Yeah, I just had it up in Oregon on Monday, racing the Tuatara, which was insane. I got embarrassed properly, but it was good.
Yeah.
It's headed down to San Diego to be serviced next Monday for its first
That's a
oil
far service.
change. Yeah.
Is it the closest dealership?
Right.
No, but they're a good dealer. Like the tech there
Got it.
has been there since the beginning of the Veyron. So he's been at that O'Gara for 15 years. So he just highly
So
recommend
he
it.
knows them, yeah.
Yeah, and the service manager, I've known him since I've been filming like for years.
Yeah.
Like before I even had the guy already.
Oh, that's cool.
So it's kind of cool.
That's really cool.
Yeah, that's what
My part of the reason I chose the Veyron is because I felt like it had the reliability. When you have to fix it, it's ridiculously expensive. But my car has 21,000 miles, almost 22 on it now, which means that it's broken a lot, it's been fixed a lot, so all the weakest links have already been fixed.
Do you have the stock wheels on it?
Yeah, because I just ran it at the airport up in Oregon on Monday, and then this Saturday we have another like airstrip attack event.
Yeah.
And so I'm going to run it there, and then I'm going to swap it. And my aftermarket wheels are being powder coated right
That's
now.
not when Mike's coming out, is it?
No, we're trying to. We haven't scheduled anything yet.
Yeah.
We want to, but that's only a half mile, which means I don't stand a chance.
The ZR1 is ridiculous.
Yeah,
It's ridiculous.
I don't. The only way I would stand a chance is like in a 2.5, 3 mile. That'd be it.
Yeah, you'd have to
Yeah,
get
to
Yeah,
get
above
the
it.
top speed.
Right,
going,
exactly.
yeah,
That's the only way.
Once you
So
hit 190, you'd be gone.
yeah, I mean a
The thing
half
is,
mile.
It's automatic, so that transmission is just ridiculous with that power.
Yeah.
Like that Vetted is just. It's the
I think
transmission.
I think the Pagani above 200 would be interesting against the ZR1. I'm not sure.
Well, I don't even know what the top speed on the ZR1 is. It's probably gear limited to like two.
I don't know.
Probably.
It's a monster.
It is. It's ridiculous.
it is.
And it's stupid reliable. That's the worst part.
Yeah, it never breaks.
Never breaks. Wow. How many days has he done that in a row? That's insanity, bro. That is the best sounding adventure I've ever heard.
Sounds like a Mercy.
I watched the video on repeat of,
Yeah.
of you guys taking off at
Yeah, yeah,
Gintani.
Like,
So
once you get
good.
to like the 5,000-6,000, it just.
It's the only
That was the
exhaust
first time I drove it
that
down. I'm like,
sounds
let me
like the
just
Mercy.
launch it and see what's up. It was great. It was just, the sound's unbelievable.
That Mercy howl, like
Yeah.
that whine that they have.
I've never
like,
heard that
it's
out
got
of an
that crazy.
Aventador. That's crazy. Well, when you launched it too on that Gintani video, and the flames.
Yeah, just
as
their-
you're doing launch control, they're coming out. It's like,
Yeah.
come on. Remember the tunnels in downtown LA with Mike? Wasn't that with Crazy Mike? Weren't you there that night?
Shin Mike Yin?
Yeah, when we ran from the cops in LaFerrari. Weren't you there?
Yeah.
Remember the LA tunnels?
I have
With
like
Gordon?
the worst memory with like people.
Who was it? No, it was definitely you. I think that was that night, yeah.
Yeah, we ran.
Yeah, we
from
were
the
doing
cops.
poles through the
Through
LA
the
tunnel
LA
with a
tunnel.
straight pipe LaFerrari.
That's
Cops.
fun.
We saw cop lights at the end of the tunnel, so we bounced.
You
And
were in the-
we dumped it in like a residential parking garage.
I
You were
know.
there. Yeah, you were there. Yeah, absolutely.
I remember you. I remember like walking past you once at like Javier's.
Oh, okay.
Do you remember that? That was like
No.
the one and only time I remember meeting you. I was like, hi.
I'd love to see
Where's Dustin?
the Veyron next to the Pagani.
He's over there.
Just rolling.
What are you guys doing tomorrow?
Dustin.
Well, tomorrow we're supposed to leave at 7:30 in the morning.
yeah, I'm out.
Exactly, but I was gonna ask, like, it would be a really good excuse to sleep in if, and then we leave later if you
Well,
want.
Big Sky's not that far from here.
Do we know how far?
It's like 2 hours.
Yes.
You wouldn't.
Is that in the way?
No, it's not on the way, but like, don't take your car there. Because the salt
never
just
be the
gets
same afterwards.
everywhere. Everywhere. Especially, like, I would never take my, I would roll my car in a salt flats for like a photo,
And that's it.
and that's it.
Yep.
Two reasons. One, all my cars have been with me in Boston when I went to school there, and they spray salt all over the
It's
road,
not
so it's
even-
all corroded.
It's like,
And two, I have a rental.
okay, yeah. If you, let's do now. Where'd you get your rental car from?
I
From LA?
Yeah, I went down.
Okay, so they won't know. Yeah, like in Utah,
I
when
told them they
in
were-
Utah when you rent a car here, they make you sign a special waiver saying you won't drive it on the salt flats because it's so bad. Like, it's insane. It gets everywhere.
Should I just call a retailer right after?
Yeah, they're gonna have to take the car apart. I had a buddy take his Gallardo Performante out there once. They had to tear the car apart as if they were wrapping the car to clean it because there was so much salt everywhere. El Mirage, that's your best bet. That's way better. This is just dirt, you know.
I went to jail for that.
Well, that's a different story for a different day. But
It's online. I mean,
there's a handful of dry lake beds. Like there's. Where you go?
Ooh! I kind of just throw the ball. Hey, you got it. You got 28 points.
Good shit. And I'm done. One and done. Bam.
I did that earlier and it hurt my wrist. Like, man.
All right, Choi, show us how it's done.
I made it though. Choi's good. They were born knowing how to play this, bro.
Oh, God, it's
Good
sparked.
Christ.
It's sparked.
That's a Happy Gilmore movie.
It literally sparked.
I saw.
Okay, don't worry, I'm gonna hit one and hurt myself.
What was the itinerary?
Holy, I can do that.
Good shit.
So I hit the camera again.
I'll give you 20.
20.
Oh. Yes.
No, I got it in the green. I don't know what that means, but like, do I get?
It's right there.